খুব চেনা চেনা লাগছে মেকআপ লুকটা, তাই না? Yeah guys, as promised, I have come up with that makeup look which I have already created in one of my shorts video, and you guys have loved that makeup look like immensely. So I couldn't resist myself and recreated that makeup look again for you guys. So if you want to know how did I create that Indian wedding simple makeup look, please keep on watching. So after the skin prep is done, the first thing I do is the primer application, and for that I always use the primer which is infused with silicone and glycerin. Primer application is must to get a silky smooth finish because it absorbs the excess oil and blurs out the pores, and at the same time it holds your base for a longer period of time. So it also protects your skin from any harmful chemicals which are present in your makeup products. So primer application is like the must for me. And nowadays to lock my primer, I'm using the setting spray all over my face because I have seen that both of them together work the best. Next, I will be using this foundation from Nykaa Cosmetics in the shade True Toffee. I think most of you guys know that আজকাল অনেকক্ষণ মেকআপ করে থাকার ব্যাপার হলেই I always go for that foundation because it gives a skin like finish, and also it doesn't move and stays at least for 7 to 8 hours. But yeah, you must blend it nicely and prep your skin well. না হলে হাজার ভালো ফাউন্ডেশনও কাজ করবে না ভালো, trust me. So yeah, I always take the beauty blender, and that is from Plume, and blend my foundation taking my time really well. So after the foundation application is done, the next thing I will be doing is the cream contouring, and for that I will be using that concealer from e.l.f Cosmetics which is only one shade darker than my skin tone. Yeah, I know it is looking kind of odd on camera, but when it gets blended it will give a bronzy effect to my skin and also will create a shadowy effect on my skin. So yeah, that is why I love that particular shade. Even though it's one shade darker than my skin tone, it still gives a bronzy tone my skin. So yeah, I love that concealer. Now to complement my contour, I will be highlighting my face using a concealer which is 2 to 3 shades lighter than my skin tone, and that is from Makeup Revolution. Actually, in step-by-step makeup look, it depends on you which step you will be doing after one particular step. I'm comfortable with these steps because if I highlight my face after contouring, it blends into the contour nicely, so I don't need to worry about any harsh edges of the cream contour. So yeah, that is why. And you guys can see how nicely the concealer is getting blended. Actually, it's so important to take care of your skin to achieve that kind of a perfect base. Pre-makeup skincare is everything upon which it depends how your whole makeup will look like. But besides your facial skin, it's very important to take care of your body as well. So while talking about the body care, it just reminded me of an amazing PR package which I have recently received from Plum Body Loving range. Plum Body Loving has actually tied up with the Minions to create the new banana range, which is not only cute guys, every product smells like heaven. Yeah, and not only the products, they have also sent a small cute diary and a jhola kind of a bag with Minions on it, and I love Minions. Oh my god, it's a super cool PR package I have received till now, and you guys have no idea how excited I am to try out all these products. So let's go to the washroom with me, guys. So let's start with the Minion Coins banana body wash first. Oh god, it smells so delicious, guys, that it makes you feel and smell like one in a minion. So take the body wash on the loofah and then gently massage your body for a few minutes and then wash it off with normal water. It's a sulfate free, soap free gentle cleanser, so it's enriched with olive oil, banana extract for soft and plump skin. It doesn't make you feel dry but provides the nourishment to your skin, and it also cruelty free and 100% vegan, guys. Next, use this body scrub. It's super yummy notes of banana to get you feeling good, guys. Super fine gentle texture of this scrubber makes you feel soft, rejuvenated by buffing away all the dirt and dead skin cells. Take some on your palm and then start rubbing your wet body gently for a few seconds. It pampers your skin with the banana extract and oil present in it. It's an all-in-one product, cleanses, polishes and smoothens your skin. You guys can see my skin, guys. After that, you have this banana yogurt. Its mouth-watering banana fragrance makes you smell like a snack, guys. It has cooling, hydrating and lightweight texture. Apply on your damp body for the better absorption. It stays all day long and makes you feel moisturized for a longer period of time. And you guys can see it's a gel cream texture, gets absorbed into your skin within 10 seconds and gives you an intense hydration to the skin. You guys can see that on camera. Yeah. And lastly, with this package, I have also received these really two cute perfumes, guys. The fragrances are so amazing and it feels so frustrating, that I can't make you guys smell all these perfumes. The packaging, the fragrance, everything is heavenly, and it's so easy to carry and very affordable also. By the way, all these products are vegan and cruelty free, so don't forget to check out all these products. I have put down the link in my description box below, guys. And now let's get back to the makeup again, and in the next step I will be applying that translucent powder from Maybelline to set my concealer, and that is in the shade 15. By the way, all the shade details and all the products links are given in the description box below, so do not worry, just check them out from there. So yeah. And in the next step, I will be doing the powder contouring, blush and the highlighter part. And for that, I will be using that same palette from Sugar Cosmetics. And yeah, to set my cream contour, I will be applying that powder contour on top of that. And if you are not comfortable doing both the cream and powder contouring, you can do any one of them. You can just do the powder contouring and that's it. You will be good to go, guys. Now on the apples of my cheeks, I will be applying the blush, and that is also from that same palette of Sugar Cosmetics, and I will be merging it with the contour product so that it will look nicely blended and my face also will look slightly lifted. So yeah, that is why. In the next step, I will be highlighting the highest points of my face and will be using the highlighter from the same palette. And the highest points are the cheekbones, the brow bone, the bridge of the nose, the forehead, cupid bow and your chin. These are the spots which are the highest points of your face. So you need to highlight all these points. And to set all these base products, I will be applying that same setting spray and will be waiting for drying it out. And in the meanwhile, I will be doing my eyebrows, and for that I will be starting from the front part of my eyebrow, and very light-handedly I will just fill in the front gaps using a very less amount of product, and then gradually will fill up the rest of the brows. গ্যাপ গুলো ফিল করলেই আমার আইব্রাও অলরেডি অনেক থিক লাগে দেখতে, সো আই ওয়ন্ট ডু এনিথিং ওভার the top. And now I will start my eye makeup, and for that I will take that warm orange tonka eyeshadow from that MORPHE Jaclyn Hill eyeshadow palette, and will be applying it in the crease areas first. Next, taking that darker shade than the earlier one, will be placing it in the crease only to intensify my crease areas, and will be blending it nicely by merging it into the skin till the brow bone areas. After that, taking that brown shade, will be placing it on the 1/3 of my lower eyelid using a flat brush, and will create just a thin line, and then will blend everything nicely together. Now, taking that shimmery shadow, we'll be placing it on the 1/3 of my upper eyelid, and we'll be applying it on the inner corner as well. By the way, don't forget the inner socket, because it will make your eyes look bigger and blend the edges in the crease nicely at the end. Now, taking that brown eyeshadow, which I have already used on my lower eyelid, will be applying it on the outer corner on my upper eyelid to create a thin line just like the lower one. For the waterline, I will be using that white kajal from Wet n Wild to make my eyes look more opened up and bright. As I don't like falsies that much, so I will be curling my eyelashes first, and will be applying the mascara, a multiple coats of mascara on both my upper and lower eyelashes. And that's it for the eye makeup, guys. You guys can see, so simple that eye makeup is still, it is looking so bright and opened up. So now I will be applying the lipstick, the last part of my makeup, and for that I have used that K-Beautica lip crayon. The shade details are in the description box, so go check it out please. So how's that makeup look, guys? Will you try out that makeup look? Do let me know that in the comment section, and if you do like that video, please don't forget to like and share that video with your friends and family, and don't forget to comment below as well. And if anyone is new here for the first time on my channel, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon so that you never miss any update from my channel. See you guys in my next video. Till then, take care, bye bye, and keep shining, guys.